Counting double-digit thousands.
Hi, this is Jason from Mastermind Tuition. This is a biology video based on specialised cells. The AQA syllabus for the GCSE Biology 9-1 exam states that students should be able to, when provided with appropriate information, explain how the structure of different types of cells relate to their function in a tissue, an organ, or an organ system, or the whole organism itself. The first cell that they could ask you about is the nerve cell. The first adaptation is the dendrites. Dendrites make connections to other nerve cells. The next adaptation is the axon. The axon carries nerve impulses from one place to another. If you imagine a car trying to get from one place to another, it would travel along a road. While the nerve impulse does the same thing. It will travel along the axon. The next adaptation is the synapse. The synapses pass electrical impulses to other cells by turning the electrical impulse into a chemical which transfers the signal between cells. Nerve cells may contain a lot of mitochondria at the synapses to provide the energy needed for the synapses to turn the electrical impulse into a chemical impulse. The next specialised cell is the sperm cell. This contains genetic information from the male parent. The first of its specialised adaptations is a long tail, which helps the cell to move through the female reproductive system. It also has a middle section full of mitochondria, which creates the energy needed for the tail to work. The head of the sperm cell contains acrosome, which stores a digestive enzyme that breaks down the outer layer of the egg. So it's not just about the sperm cell reaching the egg, the outer layer has to be broken down before the egg is fertilized. The last adaptation of this specialized cell is a large nucleus, which contains the genetic information that is needed for the genetics of the male partner to be passed on. The next specialized cell is the muscle cell. The muscle cells contain special proteins that slide over each other, making fibers contract. They also contain mitochondria, which transfer the energy needed for chemical reactions to take place and the muscle to contract. The final adaptation is the fact that muscle cells store glycogen, which is a chemical used in respiration. Now that's all the human specialised cells dealt with. You can watch more about specialised plant cells on my website www.mastermindalliancetuition.com or on our YouTube channel. That's all from me. Take care.